How to choose the best thumbnail that gets views? Well, today we're going to create A/B split test for thumbnails with the power of TubeBuddy. I want to tell you right now that this feature requires you to upgrade to Legend plan, but it definitely worth, in my opinion. I use TubeBuddy. I find it very useful for my thumbnails, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's start. To get access to TubeBuddy after you already sign in, you have this little icon. You can click on that, choosing website tools and A/B test. Or you can go to website tubebuddy.com, sign in, and then from homepage, click on A/B test. Here are all my tests that I created, some in progress and some already completed. You have original and variation, and this little percentage shows me which one won. So let me show you. This test was created on October 26th and finished on November 8th. And the test is completed, and based on click-through rate, the variation version outperformed. So the variation won, and variation won by 7.69%. That means that variation got 7.69% more clicks than the original. And here you see the two thumbnails, and this is the variation and one. And the only difference is this little writing here, and also this little red line around the thumbnail. They show you click-through rate, they show you impressions, also daily impressions and daily clicks. Now let me show you how to create A/B test. You're going to manage, and then you click on create A/B test. You can choose from your recent uploads, or you can write the name here and choose from the videos in this drop down. I'll choose this video, and now you have to choose what type of A/B test would you like to run, thumbnail or metadata. I strongly suggest don't change your metadata. Metadata, by the way, is your title, tags and description. I'm not recommending to change your metadata in any phase unless your video is really poorly performing for a long time and there's nothing else can save this video. Maybe you should consider to change your metadata, but any other case, you can change your thumbnail, but don't touch your metadata. Just my opinion. Now, thumbnail CTR test, click select, then go down and set number of days. 14 days is minimum range to really check your thumbnail for performance, and best if you can make it 30 days and be patient. So I'll choose 14 days and I click select, then go down and click continue. Now you have to upload a thumbnail to test. Choose file, and I have already variation I made on Canva. And as you can see, the only difference between variation and the original is what's written here. Instead of getting things done, you see work from home. When you check your thumbnail, try to change only one little thing at a time. Don't change too many things because then you don't know what worked and what not. I strongly suggest change only one thing, one little thing, one little icon. Maybe next time I'll remove this icon, and trust me, those little things can make a difference in your click-through rate. Now, after we uploaded our variation, click on Start Test. And the test changes will be applied to your video at midnight. That's okay. Yes, start the test. Now our test created, you see the start date and the end date. You also can stop the test anytime you choose. You see the original and the variation, and you can create new A/B test here. Going back to manage, you'll see all your variations, all your tests here, all your history. So here we created our A/B split test for our thumbnails with TubeBuddy. If you want to try TubeBuddy for free, you'll find a link in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.